Hello everyone, I'm here to film a video to show you my latest module I made for myself, voice projection module. Michael Knight was inside the car and he spoke, and then he was heard outside the car using a voice projection module inside the show, but we normal people refer to that as a PA, public announcement system, where you simply have a microphone and then a speaker, and more importantly a volume control. In order to have your voice heard outside the car, I will have this up on my center console, upper console rather, just hanging out. Literally, I'm not kidding you. That's the way I'm going to do it. If you wanted to, you could take off this fuzzy thing and actually put this inside the fiberglass if you wish, in order to hide it better. Completely up to you. I pretty much made this for myself, but I do have a small handful of circuit boards left that I could make some for other people if they wish. How this works: 12 volts goes in. You have a left and a right speaker, so if you want it for front and back of the car, or one inside the car, outside the car, I don't know why you would want it inside the car, but anyway, you can hook up two speakers to this. It gets really loud, and you have a push button. You have to have a dedicated push button that you hold down the button and it turns this on, and when you release the button it will turn it off. In this case, I'm going to substitute the button here by simply shortening it out with a wire, and you can there's a jumper in here in order to do positive or negative trigger with a built-in 5-amp fuse. The microphone is nothing more than a aftermarket Bluetooth microphone used for car audio. Really, that's all it is. And it's a stereo 3.5 millimeter jack. I'll show you. There it is. It's a stereo jack, and it'll plug right in. I do have an enclosure for this, and also a heat shrink for the amplifier here on the side. And just to show you how this works, I got to put the mic in my mouth so it won't be too clear, but you'll get the idea. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. And I can make this even louder by turning up the volume just a little bit. I mean, this thing really gets really loud. Here you go, even louder. If you could understand me, I said, here you go, even louder. Well, thanks, guys. Like I said, if you want something like this, I only going to make a handful. Let me know, send me a comment, or contact me on Facebook. Bye-bye.